Hi guys, just a quick thing about how to break a brick with your hands. This is quite a common trick. Some bricks are sort of weak enough in built that you can do them traditionally. So let's try this one. So you can't. So what you do then is you put it, you just raise it very slightly. Bring the hand down, and as the hand hits, it also hits the bottom there. So you get something like so. That's actually a lot. I thought it would be far less solid than it was. Some bricks are quite easy, like this one. It's a nice, they're called rubbers, funnily enough. Not the rubber you may be thinking of, but called rubbers in England. And they're quite, you can hear that nice sort of clacking sound. Generally they tend to be quite a hard break if they've got a dull sound when you hit them. So these ones, let's try palm heel strike. So that's break straight away. Again, looks like a rubber, but obviously if they've been left lying around, they get wet and then they get dry. Again, they wet, they get dry. It kind of makes them weaker. I'm just trying to let's look for something like stone, which tends to be less porous or whatever. It kind of stays the same. So let's try that one. I think you can see I've done this one before, so I may not be able to do anything on this one. Let's try it. I'm going to actually raise it right up here. See if I can get something of it off. I can tell that it's hard because it's not got that sort of clacking sound. That's not going to happen. Let's just do a form with my left just to make myself feel better. Got a nice sound there. It's just raising it up slightly. And there you see some of the other how-to videos. It's like do it that way and you can do it straight away and stuff. Just be a bit careful. Probably some conditioning exercises first of all is better before you attempt something. But generally speaking, it's quite an old trick. Not feeling so good for the left hand. Whoo! Oh, blimey. That's that, yeah, that one you can see is quite sort of, it's pretty firm. Anyway, there you go, just a quick guide on how to break bricks. Okay, cheers.